What's up, guys? My name is Daniel Kochanowicz, or Dan Kohan as I'm known by on YouTube, and I'm trying to build my real estate empire as fast as possible. So right back here, I've got another house under contract right now. I bought my duplex about 8 months or so ago, and I'm trying to get another house so I can house hack in it and keep building up my units, keep building up my empire. So we're gonna go ahead and take a quick walkthrough through the house, and I'm gonna go with you guys in a series of videos. We're gonna go through exactly how I got this house and the whole purchasing process and everything, you know, from start to finish, so that you guys know exactly how to do it. There's no surprises, and you can do the exact same thing to help build your financial future. Okay, so I'm here in the house now, guys. So this is actually a pretty big house. It's in pretty good condition. So right now, in the process of under contract and buying it. Just wanted to give you, the deal's not totally done yet, but wanted to kind of give you a rundown, walkthrough of all the rooms, and a walkthrough of like what it is, and so you guys can get an idea of what's possible. So this is actually a 4-bed, 3-bath house. So it's quite big. It's about 1,900 square foot, 2-car garage. So in terms of like houses to rent, this is probably on the higher end of the size that you'd want. Typically, most people aren't going to want to go above a 3-bed house. Just because, you know, a 4-bed, you're gonna attract some families and stuff like that, which isn't a bad thing, you know. Definitely in the right areas, like this house is in a pretty good neighborhood for my area, and I'm pretty confident that we're gonna be able to get some good tenants later on, and that are gonna be really high quality family that's gonna live in here, and you can rent it for a higher amount than a 3-bed. All right, so we're just gonna do a quick walkthrough. So right now I'm actually in the dining room. This is a decent sized area, probably about like 16 by 16 square foot. This is a split entry house, so you got like 4 levels technically. But if you want to go through here, we can walk over to the kitchen area. So this house is in, like some houses you're gonna go into are gonna need to be rehabbed and stuff. This one on the inside is, it's pretty much rent ready. You've got pretty new appliances, some stainless stuff. These nice, pretty modern, fixtures, white cabinets. It's for the most part in style. You got a good backsplash and everything. For having the eventual goal is to have this house as a rental later on in life. This is totally fine. Like, you're not gonna need to be super duper fancy with it, but it's got a really nice kitchen, really well lit, and it's gonna be really good. You're gonna have an enjoyable experience, cooking in here and doing all your stuff. So going down here, we've got a little window there. You can see there's a big old living room with nice vaulted ceilings. You've got a fireplace and your doors in here. So this is going to be a really nice place to hang a TV, chill out, and just do all the cool stuff. Maybe work in here. You got really nice windows that a lot of natural light in this place, which is awesome. So coming in here, down the hall, we've got some bedrooms here and a bathroom. So we got the first bathroom right in there. Again, it's like pretty much ready to go. Pretty modern fixtures and stylings and everything like that. So I'm really not planning on updating any of this stuff. Now, when buying a house, you gotta kind of choose what you want to do with it. Whether it's going to be a super fixer-upper or it's going to be pretty much rent ready. At this point, I was just kind of looking for any deal that looked good. So I'm at this point willing to take maybe a less good of a deal, but just have it rent ready just to get something. Recently, the market's been super hot. So going in here, we've got this is the master bedroom. So this is a pretty big room. It's actually got a bathroom in there that is like, there's no wall, which is kind of interesting. So there's just a bathroom. Usually the master bath is kind of like separate from the room, but in this case, just the bath or the toilet is actually separate. Okay, so here's one of the other rooms. So this is probably for like kids or other people you have over. And then we're going right back out here. There's another room going on right next to it. There's 3 bedrooms up on this top floor. Another smaller bedroom. Perfect, still fit a bed in here for some kids maybe or something like that. Okay, now we're going to go downstairs, see the front door, see the other room, the basement, and we'll check that out real quick. So come on down here. So we got this nice wood floors here in the front entry, nice coat closet there. We've got, nice carpeted stairs and stuff like that. Yeah, and then coming down to the basement, we actually have, it's really nice. So we've got really good walls and this is real tile floor. So get this really cool basement down here, tile floors. This would be cool to set up a man cave. The coolest feature about this house that you don't see many places is it actually has a sink for a wet bar right down here. So if you're drinking and stuff like that, you can have your drinks here, have your water. All right, so then we got just one extra room here and then the other bathroom for this house. So we can take a look right in here into this bathroom. It's kind of a narrow bathroom, but you know, a full bathroom with a shower nonetheless. Again, pretty you know, modern stuff, modern toilet. Definitely not like very old or anything like that. So I really don't have any intention of replacing it. So then going in here, we actually have a laundry room and then the last bedroom in this house. So we can just check in here. This one's kind of an odd laundry room. The stuff is actually set up about maybe 1.5 feet off the ground, maybe for easier access or something like that, but it's definitely a nice clean laundry room. And then going into this last bedroom, maybe this could be for another kid or you know, you're turning into a guest bedroom or something like that. This isn't really not that well lit. Maybe I'll put a new light bulb in here that's a lot brighter, but about the same size, maybe a little bit bigger than those two smaller rooms upstairs. So we're gonna have a nice, real nice hallway here, out just to get back up the stairs. The final cool thing about this house is it actually, so you got a pretty big 2-car garage right here. This is definitely a full size, definitely can fit 2 cars in here, no problem. They go right out onto the street, which is really cool. So definitely cool, you know, if you have cars or tools or something like that you want to store in here, this is definitely gonna be real attractive for me to live in and also, you know, potential renters later. Okay guys, so that's the house. Pretty nice, pretty much plug and play. 4-bed, 3-bath house, 2-car garage in a good neighborhood. Not really gonna have to do many renovations on this, just a couple small repairs, probably gonna cost me a few $1,000s in repair costs. But other than that, it's pretty much gonna be rent ready, or move-in ready day one rather. So that's your house tour. Guys, if you like content like this, please hit the like button down below, subscribe for more, and keep watching.